Hi, in this video I will guide you how to download and install OpenJDK 13 on Windows operating system. I am now running from code.java.net. You know, OpenJDK is a blockchain-ready and open source Java development kit. OpenJDK is a reference implementation of JDK made by Oracle, and it is licensed under the GNU General Public License version 2. And this is a download page for OpenJDK 13. And note that OpenJDK 13 is distributed as an archive file in the format tar.gg or zip. No installer program for OpenJDK. And after downloading the file, we need to verify the integrity of the downloaded file. Compare the checksum. We check the archive file, and then we need to update the system environment variable path and java_home. Also, in this video, I will guide you how to configure Eclipse to run with OpenJDK 13. Now, let me show you the current version of Java on my computer on Windows. Type the command java version, and you can see the current version is 1.8.0, update 144. And this is Eclipse IDE. The project in this Eclipse IDE using Java SE 1.8, and you can see here properties, Java compiler, and you can see the version of Java is 1.8 for the Java compiler here. And let me show you the version of JDK that runs this Eclipse IDE, and you can see Eclipse is running on JDK 1.8.0 here. Now let's download the archive for OpenJDK 13 from this URL jdk.java.net /java-se.-ri here. So open Chrome browser and head to jdk.java.net /java-se-ri/13. So this is a download page for OpenJDK version 13, and you can see there are two binary views for Oracle Linux and for Windows x64 here. So because I'm running Windows, so I click this hyperlink to download the archive file for OpenJDK 13. Save. And after downloading the file, we need to verify the integrity of the downloaded file by compare the checksum code public on the website here. You can see the hyperlink SHA-256 here to see the checksum code for the downloaded file. Okay, the file has been downloaded. So in folder, copy the path here, and in the window command prompt, change to that directory, and use the command search util dash hash file, and the file name is OpenJDK here, and the algorithm is SA256. And we watch the checksum, SHA-256 checksum here, starting with 053DSC here. And let's compare this with the one public on the website here. You can see. So it is correct, and we can safely use this archive file. And we need to extract the OpenJDK 13 archive file. Extract here. Okay, we got OpenJDK files extract here, and copy this path. And now we need to update the Java underscore home environment variable, and update the path environment variables Java underscore home here, and update paste. Okay, and make sure that the path environment variable includes Java underscore home / bin here. Okay. Then we need to close this command prompt and open the event. Now type the command java dash version, and you see now the version is OpenJDK 13. And to run Eclipse under the new version of JDK, we need to exit and launch the IDE again. Eclipse 2020-03. So that you see downloading and installing OpenJDK 13 is simple and easy. Launch. Okay, here you go. Now let's check the JDK version that runs this Eclipse installation details configuration. Scroll down a little bit and you can see now this Eclipse IDE is running on OpenJDK 13 here. Very good, right? And for the project, we now configure the project to use JDK 13. The view path here. Now we need to change the Java SE 1.8 to OpenJDK 13. So click edit environments, install JRE, add standard. Now browse to the directory of Oracle JDK 13 here. Sorry, OpenJDK 13 here. Select folder. It's not working. Let me add again. Standard VM. Okay, finished. Choose alternate JIE here, dedicated in here. Finished. And now in the Java compiler section, we can see we can choose a version of Java is 13 here. Apply and close. Yes. That's how to download and install OpenJDK 13. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.